for some stats here. We need some stats. 46 dropping the lowest die here. We got 5, 4, 4. I believe that's a 13. 13's good. 13's real good. 2 on that one. I like 666. That's real good. That's 18. Wrap. All my scores are pretty good. I'm gonna go for it. Change my motor average. Let me. That's pretty darn good. That will definitely replace me 12. It's a 13. 13 replaces me 12. 13. So slight improvement there. My stats are 13, 13, 18, 15, 16, 15.